how to effectively bay park using two popular methods. Firstly, the 3-bay method. We're going to line ourselves up so our body's in line with the first bay marker, looking all around, full lock to the left, looking all the way around as we're coming in. If you're too close to the left, steer to the right. If you're too close to the right, steer to the left. Straighten the car and stop. The same reference point for the right reverse. Line up with the bay line, count 3 bays back, full lock to the right, looking left and right. If you're too close to the right, steer to the left. And as we're coming to the bay, straighten the wheel up and stop. For the 45 degree, line yourself up with the bay line of the bay you're going into, turn the wheel to the right, drive so you're about 45 degrees and straighten the wheels up, looking around, steering to the left, reversing, looking at your mirrors, and as you come into the bay, straighten the wheels up. "45-degree right reverse, line yourself up with the bay line, look around, steering wheel to the right, engage reverse, look all the way around, checking your mirrors as you're going in, and as you're straight within the bay lines, straighten her out and stop. Discuss and practice all of these with your driving instructor.